Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Elecan 3.5mm TRS to XLR cable, specifically the 30-foot male-to-male version. This cable is designed for connecting devices with a 3.5mm output, like a phone, laptop, or some cameras, to equipment with an XLR input, such as mixers, active speakers, or certain microphones. Right off the bat, the focus is on reliable and pure sound. The manufacturer highlights the use of 99.99% pure copper conductors, which is intended to deliver a pristine audio signal. To combat interference, the cable features copper-braided shields, aiming for maximum cancellation of hum and noise. They also mention polyethylene insulation, which is said to improve the high-frequency response. So, the build materials are chosen with audio fidelity in mind. Durability is another key aspect emphasized. The construction feels robust, featuring a flexible PVC jacket that should make it easy to route. The connectors are gold-plated and housed in rugged metal, which add a layer of protection. A common failure point for cables is where the cable meets the connector, and this one includes molded strain relief designed to support the weight, even of something like a microphone if used in that configuration, though it's primarily for output to input. They even give a figure for connector lifespan, claiming it can withstand up to 15,000 unplugging cycles, and the 360-degree easy grip treads are a nice touch for frequent use. This is described as a balanced 3.5mm to XLR cable. The wiring is specified. XLR pin 1 connects to the 1/8-inch plug sleeve, pin 2 to the tip, and pin 3 to the ring. This balanced configuration is crucial as it utilizes impedance-balanced lines to help reduce electromagnetic and radio frequency noise, which is especially important over longer cable runs like this 30-foot version. It's specifically designed to convert a balanced 1/8-inch TRS output to a balanced XLR input, making it suitable for applications like connecting a mixer's output to active speakers. In terms of compatibility, the Elecan 3.5mm to XLR cable is presented as a versatile signal cable for various environments. This includes studio recording, live sound reinforcement, home theaters, and more. It's listed as ideal for connecting devices like electric guitars, soundboard mixers, passive speakers, though primarily designed for active speakers as mentioned, consoles, studio monitors, bass guitars, amplifiers, equalizers, mandolins, electronic drums, and keyboards. The inclusion of a 3.5mm to 6.35mm adapter further expands its compatibility, allowing connection to devices with a standard 1/4-inch TRS output as well. Cable ties are also included, which is always helpful for cable management. Finally, the product comes with a 2-year warranty. The company states that users are entitled to a refund or replacement for any quality issues within the first 2 years, and they provide contact information for support through Amazon. This adds a layer of confidence in the purchase. Overall, this Elecan cable appears to be a well-built, feature-rich option for those needing a long, balanced connection between 3.5mm, 6.35mm TRS outputs, and XLR inputs, focusing on sound quality, durability, and noise reduction.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.